Hey guys, Shep here. I just wanted to say thank you to the United States military, everybody enlisted. Thank you so much for your service. I try to make a video like this yearly, and I'm a big supporter of the military, everybody enlisted in the military. Uh, your service does not go unnoticed. Thank you for, defending this country. Thank you for risking your life, and thank you for being brave. So I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. And like I said, I had my great grandparents were in the military, and I'm a very much big supporter. So thank you so much. It means the world to me and means the world to everybody as well. So thank you so much for your service. And I think everybody in the United States military deserves, when they get out, to get a good job right away and have access to free education, etc. So while you're still in the military, I would highly recommend you take advantage of your GI Bill and try to get a college degree for free. That is one of the biggest perks about being in the military. So I would fully take advantage of that. There's plenty of online schools to choose from in the military. A lot of people go with WGU. A lot of people go with Southern New Hampshire University. A lot of people go with a school called National University, which is in San Diego. A lot of the Marines do that because they have a base right there. And National University kind of partner, with a lot of businesses in the area, and they kind of advertise to the Marine Corps. There's so many. There's University of Maryland Global Campus. That might be the most popular one regarding the military. There's so many big military schools. TESU's another one. Now, if you're asking my recommendations, I would recommend WGU or TESU. I think it's one of the ways to get a degree the fastest. Although if you're not really interested in speed, since the military is paying for all of your degree, if you don't care about graduating fast, then there's tons of online schools you can choose from. Arizona State is a great one you could choose. There's so many, right? I think your GI Bill will cover almost any single school. And I do ask you guys to be smart about this. So you can have an amazing experience after you get out of the military, or you can have a bad experience. And I think getting a degree is one of those things that sets yourself apart from the other military folks that get out of the military, right? The ones that have a degree tend to succeed a little more. They succeed in cybersecurity, become software engineers, all kinds of things. The great thing about being a veteran, the great thing about being in the military is you do kind of jump to the front of the line with like a lot of these companies, especially if you have the skill set, right? So if you have a matching skill set with everybody else that's applying, a lot of companies do move you to the top of the line with your past military experience. I mean, that's how I would if I ran my company, right? Now, if someone still massively outqualifies you, I would probably go with that person. But if there's a tie, I'm going to go with the veteran, of course. And that's just, that's one of the benefits they get from being a part of the military, right? Is, you do get job preference, and their spouse also gets job preference. So now a lot of the military does choose to go into tech afterwards, especially cybersecurity. But I do see quite a few becoming software engineers as well. So you do need to, get that degree. It's kind of like a pre-requirement. If you have a military background and you have a tech degree, you are looking really, really good for job prospects. I see a lot of people when they get out of the military and they have a tech degree, they do really, really well most of the time. So they have a much easier time getting hired than a non-military person. So overall, like a tech degree is really good. I see a lot of people getting healthcare degrees too. So you can venture on that if you want to be like a PA or you want to be a nurse or something along those lines. So tech, healthcare, etc. Just make sure you do get that degree though, because it is free while you're in the military, and it's very important to take advantage of that. Like, I know a military friend of mine, he worked at a casino for minimum wage, basically. I think he's still there as well, and he's been doing that for like a few years. He's like 28 now. So just like, don't get caught up in that, right? Like, you want to get a good job. You don't want to rely on like a minimum wage job plus, whatever you're still getting paid from the military. I mean, if you want to do that, that's well within your right, but you don't want to coast, you want to be extremely comfortable, right? So finish that degree and, get a good job, a good salary, and, life will be sitting really pretty for you. And so go to one of these schools, WGU, TESU, etc. You can go to my website, majormash.com. I have a big write-up on like all these schools and how to graduate fast, although you don't have to graduate fast. And they're all affordable. So get your degree, work on it while you're in the military, do it while you're young. You got it paid for, get it done. Don't use it while you got it. Don't lose the ability. So do it while you got it. Get the degree done. There's plenty of schools that are very military friendly, like all the schools I just mentioned. Great universities, very respected degrees, WGU, UMGC Global, Purdue Global, all very respectable schools. So get out there and get your degree. So that way, when you get out of the military, you'll have no issues finding a job. You'll have a degree. You'll be very qualified. You can also use like your cybersecurity skills or whatever skills you learned from the military, depending on what your job was. I'm also working on a new app/website, which is basically a version of Entry Engineer. It will be called Entry Engineer. However, this one will be basically you practice coding interviews, kind of like LeetCode in a way. And that'll be like a yearly subscription. And for military members, it'll be 40% off forever. Maybe even, I might even make it higher than that. But I always give military a huge discount on whatever I make. Sometimes I give things away for free to the military too. So it just depends. This one I'm leaning towards 40% forever. So that'll be released sometime in the next several months, hopefully soon. But I'm working on that right now. It'll basically be kind of like a LeetCode style website where you practice a bunch of coding interviews, data structures and algorithms, and how you can pass these coding technical interviews when you get a job interview. Because when you get a job interview in the technical world, whether it's software engineer, cyber, especially software engineering, you have to pass this technical coding interview where it's like a puzzle and you have to solve it with code, basically based off data structures and algorithms. And you need to learn how to pass that. So, and you want to pass it the right way. You don't want to cheat, because there's people who cheat and use methods like all kinds of different things. But you want to pass it the right way. So, anyways, guys, I just want to say thank you for your service. And like I said, big supporter of the military. I thank you for all that you do. And I hope you all stay safe. And thank you so much. Please like and subscribe if you like the video in any way. So thank you so much. Take care, guys.